Hey friends, welcome to Bobilon YouTube channel. Let's create something beautiful together. Today I'll show you how to make perfect seamless round circle. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to try Bobilon yarn, visit our website. All links are in the description below. I'm going to use Bobilon t-shirt yarn in medium size, mustard color. And I'll need a hook number 7. For the beginning, we need to leave tail 50-70 centimeters long. Now we make magic ring. Crochet 5 single crochet stitches. Pull the tail to tie the first row. To complete the circle, we need to join it using the tail, but first, frog half of the last stitch. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Crochet them using the tail and pull it out. Now insert the hook back to front under the both loops of first stitch. Hook up the tail and pull it to the back side. Turn the circle towards you a bit. Find a strip behind the last stitch. Insert the hook and then slip the hook under the back loop of the last stitch. Draw the tail to the back again. As you can see, the first row is joined seamlessly. Now we need to use working thread again. Tail is only necessary for joining the ends of the row. You need to insert the hook right into the center of the loop. Yarn over and pull it through. Make 2 single crochet stitches in each loop. Starting from the second row, we are going to use waistcoat stitch. That is our increases. In each row we make 6 of them. It's really easy to count stitches in the perfect circle pattern. The first row has 6 stitches, including the one that we've made in the end using the tail. The second row has 12 stitches. The third, 18 stitches, and so on. You should add 6 stitches in every new row. The second row is ready. We've made 2 single crochets out of each stitch. Now let's join the beginning with the end using the tail. moving to the third row. First loop, increase, next loop 1 stitch, and repeat. Now let's join the beginning with the end using the tail. Let's start with the fourth row. But first, let me tell you important remark. The final view of a circle depends on the way you place increases. They should not be under each other. That's why in first 2 loops, we make single crochet stitches, third loop, increase, and repeat it till the end.
Finish the row using the tail in the same way. Now we start 5th row. At first make increase, then 3 single crochet stitches and repeat till the end of the row. Everything is simple. You just have to remember that each row must include 6 increases and they should not be placed under each other.
In this technique, you can make as many rows as you want. Look at the result. We have seamless crochet circle, which is perfect for baskets, bags, and anything you want. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to share your project with us on social media with #Bobilon. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!